So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then to watch Galavisión network on YouTube TV, you got to have either YouTube TV base plan or the Spanish plan. So if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, then you can watch Galavisión network right away. But if you don't have the YouTube TV base plan yet, and you only care to watch Galavisión, then I do recommend you just to purchase the Spanish plan for a cheaper prices. And to buy those plan, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you wanna go to your top right of your screen, and then you wanna click right here on the store icon. And then you wanna click on all to see all the networks. And here you can just see on YouTube TV base plan, you have to pay for 60 bucks per month. But if you want to pay the Spanish plan, it's only 25 bucks per month. So on either of them, just click on it. And then you can just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. So then to watch Galavisión, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for Gala. And here on the Galavisión network, you want to click on it. And you may scroll down and see the live session of the Galavisión, and also you can watch any series, movies, or any show from Galavisión on demand. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Galavisión network on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.